感的呢個幾耐之前，1個小時前啦，應該都唔止1個鐘前，總之尋日啦，Gula 就po 咗呢個 important announcement 嘅預告啦，跟住大家都就係喺度諗緊啊，估緊究竟係啲咩呢？我見即係 set 啲人 comment 係，啲人都係即係都係覺得係一個 joke 咁樣啦，就個個都喺下邊喺度話就係應該唔會係畢業啦。跟住但係咁我哋咁啱未瞓啦，咁就等佢台啦，跟住之後就入去睇啦。跟住佢入到去係就係真係就咁得個封面啦，就連即係個 V 皮啊，連個樣都冇嘅咁樣。跟住之後開始咗都唔知，就聽到佢把聲，然後就即刻校翻大聲啲咁樣。之後就聽到佢喺度講，前面我都有啲 miss 咗嘅，都唔係好聽得清楚，因為真係有啲細聲。但係後面聽到就真係 firm 佢真係畢業咯，係好突然咯，真係即係我聽啲人話咩，因為我唔係好清楚啲咩股市啊嗰啲啦，就係話咩 cover 上咗市之後就好多人都走咁樣。睇一睇佢嗰個 announcement 先啦。Announcement regarding Galuh Gulah's graduation. We regret to announce that Galuh Gulah of Hololive English will be graduated on May 1st of May. 即係5月1，就係仲有半個月，然後就畢業啦。Since her debut as a member of Hololive English 5 years ago, Gulah has touched the hearts of fans around the world, become a beloved face for VTubing in its early stages, and played an instrumental role in the growth of Hololive production. To all the fans who have shown their unwavering love and support, we sincerely thank you. 就係佢觸動到全世界嘅人嘅心啦，就成為咗一個大家都好中意嘅 VTuber 啦。作為一個好重要嘅，即係對呢個 Hololive 嘅成長好重要啦。然後致各國嘅 fans 啦，去 show 到我哋嘅 love 同 support 啦，好多謝大家啦。While we understand that this news may be difficult for many, we deeply respect and support Gulah's decision as she begins her next chapter. 就我哋好明白呢個 news 啊會好困難啦 for 大家，就佢哋都好尊重同埋支持 Gulah 嘅 decision 啦，就係佢等佢展開佢另外佢新嘅開始啦。We are endlessly grateful for Gulah's remarkable contributions and wish her nothing but success and happiness on her journey forward. 就佢哋好感謝 Gulah 嘅貢獻啦，同埋祝福佢未來會成功同埋開心。呢個就係 Hololive 官方嘅 announcement， 就係同大家講真係要畢業啦咁樣，就係咁突然咯，就係半個月內咯。即係我都有推 Gulah， 但係都好耐之前啦，即係最近都好少追 V 啦。但係即係講緊係一個冇追過 V 嘅人啦，就係 Gulah 係帶我入呢個圈嘅 V 咯，就係即係講緊嗰陣時即係咩都唔識，就係講緊啲日文嘅 V 就聽唔明啊，所以就冇睇啦。跟住見到哇有講英文嘅 V 喎，我可以聽得明喎，跟住入去聽下，入去睇下，哇佢好得意啊，佢把聲，佢唱歌好好聽，黐線，就係點解可以會有個人咁 Q 咁有效果，跟住唱歌咁好聽，然後就勁中意啦，跟住之後就狂追啦，真係好突然咯，講緊係帶我入坑嘅一個始祖。 就因為佢就開始追 Hololive 追呢支新字，跟住就都有睇咁樣啦。然後我哋嚟睇下佢嘅 announcement。
It's me, Gargura, from Hololive English. Thank you for coming tonight
多謝我哋今晚過嚟啦。
and for being here. Really means a lot to me that you're here right now.
不過冇辦法 cover 應該係壓到最後先出通告，係咯，好撚 sad 啊而家，好 sad 啊真係。
I'll keep this short and to the point.
佢會短暫咁講啦，真係。
I'm not so good with words, but I will do my best.
佢話唔係好擅長去做呢樣嘢，但係佢會做得最好咁樣。
And please forgive me. I am reading off of some notes so that I don't forget anything.
就佢話佢會睇一睇啲 notes 啦，就確保佢唔會忘記任何嘢咁樣啦。都係嗰個問題，上市本身就係一部好臭嘅棋，好似真係上市咗之後就出事情咯。
First of all, I'm really sorry for worrying you or upsetting you with this announcement.
佢首先就係好唔開心地就係令到大家擔心呢樣嘢。
This has been a very long time coming, but today I am here to announce that I will be graduating from Hololive on May 1st, 2020.
佢就話今日佢要 announce 我哋一件事，就係佢5月1號要畢業啦咁樣。上咗市就要玩保守，但 V 就係靠活動揾食，兩個根本有撞。好似話咩？佢哋上咗市之後，即係當佢哋係 idol 咁樣 train，忙到癲咯，就係好似
25 JST. My reasons being disagreements with management and company direction. I debuted in September of 2020 with 4 other incredibly talented girls who I respect and admire. I had barely any streaming or singing and dancing experience before joining this company.
即係佢講到就佢初頭同另外嗰個好 talented 嘅女仔一齊開始 streaming， 跟住但係佢在此之前就即係唔識跳舞啊嗰啲，係咪啊？
It was incredibly exciting, but also very intense and unexpected to be suddenly surrounded by so many eyes and expectations.
即係佢好興奮啦，就同大家一齊，但係都好 intense， 好即係有少少壓力之類嘅，就話突然之間有咁多個人睇住佢啊。
I remember there being many days where the stress was so overwhelming that I couldn't eat or keep food.
就話佢呢種壓力已經爆煲，令到佢甚至唔可以好正常咁飲食啊，就聽落都幾辛苦就係。
Down. But the continuous support and patience of my wonderful community helped to lessen that feeling and pushed me to go on to do things that I didn't even know I was capable of.
就佢都好感激，就係身邊嘅 community， 我估係即係可能身邊嘅同事或者係觀眾對佢嘅 support 啦。
I am so lucky and so thankful for each and every one of you, to the opportunities given to me, and for
多謝大家俾
the
機會
almost
佢
5 years we've been able to spend together.
5年，大家陪佢一齊。
I love singing for you and performing for you on stage or in my bedroom.
佢有即係唱歌跳舞啊，喺佢間房佢嘅 bedroom 咁樣。
Helped pull me out of my shell, and I went off from being too scared to sing alone in my shower to singing live in front of hundreds and thousands of people. When I think about how many of you I've been able to connect with, it brings me so much joy.
見到咁多人支持佢啦，咁都令到佢獲得到歡樂咁樣咯。表面過得好好，實質做 VTuber 都好辛苦，尤其是係呢啲大公司。
It's been an honor and a dream come true to be your shark, your Booba.
佢好榮幸可以成為大家嘅 Shark。
With you, I've been able to achieve what I thought for a very long time would be impossible for a girl like me.
佢覺得就係呢樣嘢好 impossible 好不可思議啊！就係對佢嚟講就係
To feel a part of something and to belong.
自己玩好，全都自己袋，都係。但我覺得其實錢係一個問題，但係最主要都係真係嗰個自由度咯，即係你喺大公司底下個自由度一定好低㗎啦，然後即係啲公司又管住晒咁樣，全部都即係好似就係會好辛苦咯，唔可以做自己想做嘅嘢，某程度即係理論上就係 V 其實可以係好自由啦，好時間上啊或者點都好都可以自己決定做啲咩啦，但係即係如果真係喺大公司底下，你好多嘢都要俾人 control 啦，俾人控制住啦，就係都祝福咯，就係即係可以開心啲，可以自由啲，其實都係一件好事嚟嘅，就唔係下下都俾人管住晒咁樣。即係聽佢把聲都好 sad 咯，就係覺得好似真係好大壓力咯，就繼續啦。
I love being an idol and VTubing and watching all of my senpai, Kawhi, and the entire VTubing community grow into this amazing, colorful, and successful world.
就都係好感激，就係有好多前輩啊，同埋呢個神奇嘅 VTuber 世界啊，咁樣咯，就係。
I love the banter we've shared over the years. I love your clips and compilations, your cosplays, fan art, every single
就好中意就係即係其他人整嘅 clips 啊，啲 fan art 啊，啲 cosplay
bit of it. I am so lucky to have been loved in such a way. Those of you that sat and fretted over what to write, poured your hearts out to me in ink, please know that I have all of your letters, and I will seal them and keep them forever until the archaeologists dig them up in 300 years and try and decipher what a
就係佢會 keep 住大家嘅 letters 同埋即係 keep 住大家啲信啊嗰啲 fan art 啊嗰啲
gargoyle was. Thank you for your compassion, your creativity, and your dedication to me.
多謝大家嘅
Thank
創
you for
意，
waiting for me.
多謝大家等待佢。
Thank you for waiting for me to return when the outside world became too much.
佢喊，我聽到佢喊。
Let's have as much fun as we can together during these last 2 weeks. Please share your kindness and patience with everyone.
佢話未來呢2個禮拜就大家都要開心同佢一齊。
And while my time here may be coming to an end, I will cherish the memories that we've made together forever.
佢會永遠就係留住同大家嘅記憶嘅回憶。
I have one final project to share with you, and I can't wait for you to see it.
佢會有最後一個 project， 我唔係好 sure 佢所講 final project 係咩啦。
Really optimistic for the future, and I hope you are too. Thank you everyone for letting me be your little shark.
就係佢就係有講到有少少，即係你聽到其實佢係忍住唔喊咯，就係即係我都覺得佢應該都好唔開心，已經就係哇聽佢第一句啲眼眶已經唔係好控制到，就係多謝大家，多謝大家今日開翻個大頭先，今日陪我圍爐取暖，多謝沙都聲晒，多謝大家陪我圍爐取暖，感激大家，再見，拜拜。今日傾得好開心，多謝大家入嚟陪我，再見，我會打機，大家有興趣都可以得閒睇啊，感謝，拜拜，再見。